Hello friends, today our topic is San Antonio injury attorney. Okay, let's start our discussion. First of all, I searched this topic on Google. Let's see what is the result. You can search this topic on Google. San Antonio San Antonio TX personal injury attorney useless we win. Now you can go to the first website, San Antonio Personal Injury Lawyers. Okay, friends, let's start our discussion today. Our accident attorneys are dedicated to aggressively pursuing justice for wrongfully injured. We have more than 20 years of experience and a reputation for high quality courtrooms, advocacy, and committed legal counsels. There is nothing more important than helping your assets, your rights after an injury, and our team of San Antonio personal injuries lawyers is hired to stand by you. Your focus on recovering, we will handle the rest. Okay? Why the law of office, Melanie Complo are the right choice for you? Different points here we can discuss. We are committed to practicing the highest standard of ethics. We are devoted to represent real personal injury victim and their families, not corporations. This is the second point. Now we can go forward to the third point. We offer our potential clients commit completely free case evaluation. This is the third and major point. Now we go forward for fourth point. We do not demand any upfront legal fees or charges unless we secure a recovery for you. This is very important point. If you read this carefully. Now go forward to topics. Case we There are six topics in this field. Topics cases we represent, establishment negligence, status of limitation, benefits of hiring an attorney, cost of hiring a lawyer, damage you can recover. There are six topics in this. Get the help you need. Request your free consultation now. Okay. At the law offices of Melanie Campolo LLP, we provide elite counsel and skilled representation to make sure you get the compensation needed to heal. You can trust our compassionate San Antonio personal injury attorney to look out for you during this challenging time. We are hired to help you move forward with your life. This is our number. You can call us. Our content types of cases we handle in San Antonio, Texas. If you have been involved in any type of accident that have been caused by no fault of your own, focus that I reading types of cases we handle in San Antonio, Texas. If you have been involved in any type of accident, please read this line carefully, that if you have been involved in any type of accident has been caused by no fault of your own. Now, 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 Vijay, we encourage you to speak up and share your story with us. Medical expenses and pile up property damage may be expensive. You may even be prohibited from working due to the extensive injuries you have suffered. Without legal representation, you can be risking your rights to secure an economic recovery that can be used to help pay for all of these things and more. Our law firm handles a variety of personal injury cases, including but not limiting to those involving car and accidents, bicycle accidents, pedestrian accident, motorcycle accident, truck accident, oil field injuries accident, wrongful death, premises liability, medical malpractice, work injuries, nursing home abuse, pharmaceutical drugs, execute settlements. Work with a legal team of accomplished personal injuries attorneys that can help you pursue maximum compensation for life-changing accident. Justice is important to us, and we are willing to go the extra mile to secure the right outcome for our clients. Do I have a case? This is the limelight. Personal injury law allows the victim of someone else's negligence to seek restitution in the form of financial compensation for losses or damages. Pursuing compensation through a personal injury claim involves identify and the fruit party, the defendant, filing an injury claim with the courts within Texas state of limitation and proving the defendant in the fault for the victim injuries. Hiring personal injuries lawyers in San Antonio can significantly improving the victim odds of winning an injury claim. Winning an injury claim. Now, what is negligence? Negligence. Negligence is a centerpiece of most injury cases. The law holds parties to certain standards of care. Negligence refers to a breach of these standards that cause injuries, deaths, or properties damage to others. Any action or omission that fails to fulfill the level of care or reasonable and prudent party would have exercised in similar circumstances in negligence to obtain compensation for our San Antonio personal injury. You or your accident lawyers, you may to prove negligence. The defendant owed you a duty of care. The circumstances surrounding your accident must involve the defendant's duty to exercise reasonable care in a doctor-patient relationship. For example, you doctor would have owed you a specific standard of care the defendant did not fulfill. Must be quality of some breach of duty such as negligence, action or omission, along with evidence of the breach to show to a judge or jury. The defendant cause injury, the defendant's negligence must be proximate cause of the damage for which you are the seeking restitution. Other in the other words, you would not have the damages but for the defendant breach of duty. You will not need to prove negligence if you claim satisfied the rules of strict liability. So this is the video, and this is all the causes and properties that we have I show in this video. I hope you must learn carefully this San Antonio personal injury laws. So goodbye.